called scaffolding, which is the process of letting them explore the instrument, and then we're going to copy all of the motions that they make so you can hit them together. So if she hits them together, you're going to hit them together. And so imitation is one of those forms of learning where it helps them have control of what they're learning and lets them explore. And once they realize that you are imitating them, maybe just holding it still, then you can challenge them and have them do different things also. So I invite you during this time to just have this time with the instrument, and then I'll play a song, and then they will be able to do that also. So go ahead. How are you going to hit it? How are you going to hit it? Good. You're really going to stay deep. You both have different tempos. This is awesome. It's dancing for the song, guys. Whoa, can you play along with this song? Big motions. You're doing little motions. Wow. Yes. Oh, I should collect these little things first. Ooh, I almost forgot. We don't want any materials in our boat anymore because that might weight us down. So there you go. Sign, put the rhythm away, rhythm 6 away, rhythm 6 away, keep it on it, put the rhythm 6 away. And here is a boat. Oh, look at this beautiful scarf. This is going to be my orange boat. So I'm going to give you each an orange boat. Can you sit on this? Can you sit on it? It's going to be your boat. And Rachel, I'm going to give you one too. Here you go, Rachel. Rachel, right here. Here you go. You guys can also share a boat if you would like. But I think it would be much cooler to have your own boat. There you go. And I'll lay it down for you. Here we go. Sit down. Good job. And so I'm going to get a boat too. And we're going to sing a song that you probably know already. And I need you to help me row. Can you row your boat? Let me see your arms. Can you sit with your arms? Oh, there you go. You got another boat. Have that boat for Mom. Thank you for. There we go. Can I see you squirt your arms in the air? Circle your arms in the air. Let me see you circle. They're going to be rowing. This is our rowing motion. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Beautiful singing. We are going to go a little faster. The boat has hit a little bit of a wave. 1, 2. Ready, Eleanor? When you're set, we can sing. Can you sing? Oh, beautiful. So close to your boat, though. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. We're gonna get so slow. Thank you for that, Marvin. That was awesome. We're still on our boat, and then we'll be on a train. Oh, Rachel's singing too. Ready? We're gonna go so slow. Good job. So now our boats are going to be our little flags, and we're going to work walking around the room, holding our flags of our boat.